Let's use Vietnam rice paper to steam vegetables rolls. Ingredients are rice paper, carrot, black fungus, cabbage, and coriander. Soak Vietnam rice paper in water to soften it. Put ingredients on rice paper. Fold both sides and roll it carefully. Repeat the same steps for the rest. Brush vegetables rolls with cooking oil. Steam at high heat for 10 minutes. Wow, looks good! Remove vegetables rolls from steamer and let it cool. Vegetables rolls are done. Now we will prepare the dipping sauce. Sauce ingredients are coriander, chili bark, and small limes. Chop all ingredients, squeeze lime juice into bowl and mix well. Optional to squeeze more lime juice for more sour taste. Seasoning with light soy sauce, sugar, and fish oil. This sauce goes well with vegetables rolls. It's appetizing, healthy, and delicious. You must try this recipe. Share this delicious recipes with your friends and family. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Let's cook black beans porridge today. Ingredients are rice, black beans, corn kernel, anchovies, and goji berries. Wash black beans and anchovies, drain and set aside. Pour in all ingredients included, wash rice, add enough water and start cooking. Instant pot will cook 30 minutes for porridge. Porridge looks good after cooked. Look at the thickness. This is the thickness I want. Season with oyster sauce and chicken powder at taste. Stir well and it's done. Garnish with goji berries and porridge is ready to be served. You may enjoy black bean porridge now. This porridge is healthy and suitable for those whom always facing computers. Hope you like it. Give it a try. Share this healthy porridge with your family and friends too. Black beans are considered nutritional powerhouses that are rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and antioxidants that help manage blood pressure, sugar, and cholesterol levels. Let's stir-fry to dishes with mala sauce. Mala sauce is spicy and appetizing. Sliced corn. Stir-fry 1 tablespoon mala sauce. Add corn and stir-fry until fragrant. Patiently stir-fry until corn is cooked and aromatic. water if to dry. Plate. Mala corn is done. So beautiful. Corn is sweet with mala taste. Mala sauce goes well with corn. You need to try this recipe yourself. It's delicious. Share this recipe out with your friends and family. They will love it too. Next, we will stir-fry eggplant with same sauce. Stir-fry mala eggplant. Cut eggplant into small pieces. Drizzle cooking oil, season with salt and cornstarch and mix well. Air fried in preheated air fryer at 180 degree 10 minutes. Eggplant is crispy but not fully cooked. Stir-fry to tablespoons mala sauce. Add fried eggplant and stir-fry evenly. Season with light soy sauce. Mala eggplant is done. Smell so good. Eggplant is not too spicy. The skin is slightly crispy and it is so delicious. Give it a try, you will love it. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Don't miss it, yeah. Bye bye.